Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to take you through a simple get ready with me makeup look which you can do for your work video calls, your interviews and your client meetings. So I hope you like this video. So let's get started. So the first step for my get ready with me is definitely I already washed my face. So after that you have to use a toner on a toning mist. So for a toning mist, I'm using the rose water from Dabur. So I'll just spritz some of it on my face before I start my makeup. I'll wait for about 2 minutes till it did get absorbed into my skin. And then after that, I don't forget to moisturize my hands before I start or apply anything on my face. So I'm going to moisturize my hands first. Okay. Then after that, before applying any base or anything, it's very important to use a serum or a moisturizer. So the serum that I'm using is from Biotic. It's called Biotic Biodendalian Visibly Ageless Serum. So I'm just going to apply this before I start my makeup. So just a little bit, I just like to pat it on my face like this, and my neck. Don't forget the neck, guys. Neck is equally important, so don't forget the neck. After that, for the base, obviously we are working from home and we don't want a heavy base for our face. So I am going to go in with a CC cream. So this is the Lakme 925 CC cream. So I'm just going to take very little amount and I'm just going to dot it across my entire face, and then I'm just going to pat it with my hands without any beauty blender or anything. I'm just going to pat it till it get absorbed into my skin. It's a great base because it's very light. It gives you a matte finish. After that, I'm done. I don't need more coverage. I think this is enough for me. And if you want more coverage, you can obviously go in with a concealer, but I'm skipping this step because we are at home and I don't want to cake up my face with a lot of makeup. So I just go in with the CC cream and I end it here. So the face is done. So the next is our eyes, and definitely for our eyes, eyebrows are definitely important. So I just like to comb my eyebrows with a spoolie like this. So I just like to comb it and keep them in one place like this. Yeah, not going to fill them up, just combing it so that it just looks neat. After that, I go in with the liner. So the Lakme liner I'm using for lining my eyes, just a little bit, not any smoky or wing effect. So I've shown you these products in the makeup products that I've used. I've done a video on that, so don't forget to check that out. And for the liner, obviously I'm just going to line little bit like this. This you can see, just little bit. So the same I'm going to do on my left eye. Yeah, filling the edges. Yeah, that's it. This is the least that I do for my eyes. No, nothing, just a little bit of liner and I'm done. After that, brows are done, eyes are done, face are done. Something is missing, right? Yes, of course, the lips. So for the lips, I'm going to go in first with a lip balm. So just applying all over. And after that, just going in with any of your nude lipstick or lip gloss. I'm going in with the Color Essence Nude Lip Gloss. Just taking this and putting it in the center of my lips. just to add a little bit of sheen to the lips. And if you think just it is looking extra, you can obviously dab off the excess, but for me it's looking fine. And yeah, that's about it. So we are done with the makeup. Let me show you the closer look. So yeah, it's actually less than 5 minutes that we have created this look. It is very simple, very affordable, and very easy to do. Even if you have meeting like right after 10 minutes, you can achieve this look in 5 minutes flat. So I hope you like this video, and I hope I'm keeping you entertained and during this quarantine by putting up some videos. I'm not a professional though, but I'm trying to keep up with the content and show you the things that I do for my skin, hair and makeup. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.